Hello. Today we're going to teach you how to solve the problem of my sewing machine not working. Sewing. It doesn't launch the line, so you can't get the line down there. You can't sew. This is a recurring problem with many sewing machines. It happens over time. First, we take out these 6 screws at the back so we can open the mini machine. Mini sewing machines are very efficient, but if you don't have one, be careful. They are a bit fragile, and this kind of thing happens, especially due to poor stitching, thicker fabric, or you wanting to force it more than it should be. She should do what happens. You open it, take out the little spool, a piece that comes with it, and we'll get started. The procedure for checking why she couldn't sew properly. It's very easy to open. There's the fault. That's where the wire goes. There it is. The defect.
Hello.
While the needle is up there, it should be down there at the time. The tip of the spinner goes through it, which is precisely the movement that makes it catch the line. From above, the tip of that spinner there, when it passes, the needle should be down there. For him to pick up the thread at the end of the needle. Now what we're going to do is align these gears, using the little key to push them backwards. Larger gear and turns the spinner gear, adjusting the needle, aligning the needle. With the end of the bail, you can pull it out with the little key, and the needle has to be there. Down there, aligned with the tip of the spinner, as I'm showing in the picture, the needle. Being down there, the line will consequently be there, at the time of the guarantor's tip. Pass. It will pick up the line, pass it through the spool completely, and take it up with it. With the needle, so it must be aligned there. It won't be there in any of the turns. Underneath, but in none of them does it have to be exactly aligned with the tip of the guarantor. It is precisely this movement that causes it to pick up the line below. And up, well aligned with the tip of the spinner, with the tip of the needle, easy and quick, done. So, all you have to do is put the pieces in place and try to close your mini sewing machine. I think it's a great purchase for small repairs. Sewing a shirt, 1. Cut, even for small repairs. I realize that if you force it a little, it will cut first. It breaks the line, which is one of the things that happens the most. It breaks the line, then you get out of sync with the guarantor, then you can't sew anything anymore.